Hi, 大家好. Welcome to Culture Tater Tots, where we explore culture through story time, crafts, and play. I'm Miss Gwen. Are you ready to go? 走吧. Today, we're going to talk about something that twirls and dances and flies across the sky. I wonder what that could be. Aha! It's a kite. And a kite in Mandarin is 风筝. Can we say that together? 风筝. Let's learn all about kites, and we're going to make one of our own at the very end.
什么是风筝? What is a kite?
A kite is something you fly in the wind, and it floats up to the sky by a string. Let me show you my kite. Wow, this is my 风筝. Look at it. It has very big wings. It has ribbons at the end. And it's held together by a string. Did you know that kites were invented in China over 2,000 years ago? That is a long, long time ago, even before dumplings. A long time ago, people used kites to send messages to far, far away or to measure the wind. And later, it became a fun way to celebrate spring and bring in good luck. Every year, people in China go out and fly kites with their families, especially during spring festivals.
动物风筝 Animal kites.
In China, a lot of kites are in the shape of animals, and each one has their own special meaning. Let's look at some of the popular animal kites and see what they stand for. This is a butterfly kite. Butterfly in Mandarin is 蝴蝶, so this is a 蝴蝶的风筝. 蝴蝶 represents love and happiness. So when people fly 蝴蝶的风筝, they are spreading joy with the rest of the world. This is a bird kite. And bird in Mandarin is 小鸟. 小鸟 represents good luck and a safe journey. So when people fly 小鸟的风筝, they're wishing their families safe travels and sending good luck to families afar. This is a fish kite. Fish in Mandarin is 鱼. 鱼, 这是鱼的风筝. 鱼 stands for wealth and a good harvest, just like what we celebrate during Mid-Autumn Festival. So when people fly a 鱼风筝, that means they're hoping that they have a great year. This is a ladybug kite. Ladybug in Mandarin is 瓢虫. 瓢虫. So this is a 瓢虫的风筝. 瓢虫 or even 虫 bugs are lucky. So if someone is flying a 瓢虫的风筝, they are reminding everyone that they are lucky and to enjoy the little things in life. Isn't that cool? Flying kites isn't just for fun. It's a way for us to share wishes and hopes in the sky.
世界各地的风筝 Kites from around the world.
Kites aren't just flown in China. They are flown all around the world. In Japan, they fly kites during Children's Day. In India, they usually have a big kite fighting festival. In Thailand, they fly kites to welcome the windy season. And in the US, my family loves to fly the kite at the beach or sometimes at the park. Have you flown a kite before?
手工艺时间 It's craft time.
Are you ready to make your own kite? We're gonna make a simple one using a paper bag. And this is what you're going to need.
You need a paper bag, some markers or crayons, ribbons or streamers, 2 popsicle sticks, tape, and some string. Today, I'm going to be making a ladybug kite for good luck. I'm going to start by coloring its head black. 我要用黑色的马克笔画瓢虫的头. Don't forget the antennas. I'm going to use red to color its wings. 我要用红色来画它的翅膀. 画好了. And I'm going to use black for the rest of its body. 我用黑色画它的身体。哦，不要忘记 Don't forget to draw the polka dots on the wings. Ta-da! I'm going to use some stickers to decorate it some more. I love this rainbow sticker. I hope it brings me extra good luck when I fly it in the sky. Last one, and here we go. With one end of your string, you are going to tie it to one of the popsicle sticks, thread it through the bag, and then tie it to the other popsicle stick. Pull the string all the way through, just like this. All right, I'm going to decorate it some more with some ribbons. I have 黄色的，还有红色的。I'm just going to use the tape and tape it inside. And there you go. My kite is ready.
Now that I have my 风筝, I want to try it out. But, I think we have to be outside. 来吧. Wow, we're outside. I'm ready to try my 风筝.
All right, I'm going to open up my kite to get ready to fly. I'm going to pull the string so it's nice and long. And ready? 1, 2, 3, 出发! Let's go! It is going, it is twirling, it is flying. I love it so much.
Thank you for learning about 风筝 with me today. We learned about where they came from, how people use it to celebrate, and we even made one of our own. If you had fun today, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe for more ways to explore culture through play. I'll see you next time. 再见!